So Hurricane Ian is officially in the Gulf as of this morning, and it's not looking so good for our comrades on the Gulf Coast of South Florida. Our prayers definitely go out to you. It's been kind of a weird last few days watching the surf forecast go from about 8 to 12 feet now down to 2, maybe 3 feet. Hopefully we get some waves at all. Yeah, them winds are just cranking so hard out of the northeast that it's just pushing the swell away. But it's getting close to about 11 o'clock, and according to the forecast, any waves we get are going to be coming here within the next couple hours. So Jeff and I are about to go on the hunt and see if we can find some waves. Hopefully somewhere between here and Pensacola we'll be able to find something. Well, Navarre is looking bigger than Okaloosa Island, so Pensacola's got to even be bigger. So Pensacola we go. So yeah, Pensacola's looking pretty good. We're gonna go out here, try to catch a few of these waves, courtesy of Hurricane Ian. Woo. Man, there are some monster jellyfish out here. Woo! Them jellyfish are brutal out there. Definitely a few good waves, but it's getting crowded. Pretty windy, and I don't know. We're gonna head back east again, maybe Navarre, see if we can catch a few down that way on the way back home. So, see you there. Well, it's definitely better down the road in Pensacola. We caught a few out here. The waves actually could have been kind of fun, but there's just way too much north wind blowing on it, blowing you right out the backs of the waves. But hey, it is what it is. This was our Hurricane Ian experience. Hopefully our brothers down in Tampa are doing okay. Prayers go out to you. As always, thanks for watching the videos. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Have an awesome day, and see you next time. Peace.